Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show a simple way how you can disable notifications on Skype. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're going to be on Skype, you just want to go to left top corner and then click here settings. And right here you're going to see notifications under messaging. And right here you can see chat notifications. You can disable reactions, notification sounds, tips and tricks, literally everything, right? So also chat notifications, you can disable it. And this is how you can simply disable notifications on Skype. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.